Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. So today we're gonna have a look at this little vacuum robot. It's from Midea. Midea, I hope that's how you pronounce it. And as you see, it is starting to work here already because we're still back on our, yeah, not so good um, camera. Our setup is still not ready, so we decided it is not worth doing an unboxing at all because we don't really have free hands. But anyway, I wanted to show off the robot. It is working right now, as you see here. It's getting its weight on, and it is the first time it's running. This is what the app looked like, and as you can see, it is actually creating a little outlay of your apartment or your house. And right now it's discovering, okay, it's even understanding, okay, here's the door or something. So it's seeing that there's another room, there's a little corner here, okay, it goes in there, cleans that up. And you can also see where it actually went and cleaned by the little line is in the back. And as you can see, we can also pause and do stuff in the app on the button there. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's doing a good job. Pretty happy with what it's doing, and it's pretty fast on discovering what's happening. So that's also good to see. And I think we can call it a day. So my name is Badger. I will see you around. Take care, you guys, and have a good day. Bye bye.